the green card that can be obtained through your employer. And that green card is called Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you the EB3 visa. A lot of people might already know, but for those who don't know, the EB3 visa is a permanent resident green card that is filed for employees. Now, I know a lot of people are trying to find jobs in the United States and they wonder about the different types of visas available to them. Some of the popular work visas like J1, H1, L visas, and there are so many more. But I wanted to bring your attention to the EB3 visa. And somebody commented on one of my videos about his options for H1 or J1 visa, but then he decided to go with the EB3 visa because it was way cheaper than to maintain an H1B visa. However, not everyone has the opportunity of getting an EB3 visa on the get-go, or should I say from the beginning. But I'm gonna share with you what is the EB3 visa and how you may be eligible for an EB3 visa. So first of all, I shared a video before that spoke about the different types of permanent residency visa. They are the EB1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But today we will be looking at the EB3. The EB3 visa, which stands for employment-based, is for skilled and unskilled workers. You might be qualified for an EB3 visa depending on your skilled area and the company that is seeking your services. Several immigration visas are based on your eligibility, or should I say your qualification, to be sponsored in the United States. So what do you need to be eligible for an EB3 visa? You must be able to prove that you have at least 2 years of training and experience in your skill area. You also need to be performing work which is qualified as areas that are not available by people living in the United States, meaning you must be providing work for which qualified workers are not available in the United States. Also, in order to obtain an EB3 visa, you must be approved for a labor certification and also be offered a full-time job position. So what are the professionals that are entitled, or should I say can be sponsored an EB3 visa? These professionals must possess a bachelor's degree that is equivalent to a U.S. degree. The degree must be related to their occupation and they must be practicing in that area. If you are an unskilled worker, you may also be eligible for an EB3 visa dependent on your skills and the qualifications that you have in the area of need. How to file for an EB3 visa? The first step is to get a job by a company who is willing to sponsor you an EB3 visa. Again, the EB3 is a permanent resident card, what we call a green card. Once the employer agrees to file for that EB3 and you are hired, then they will need to file with the Department of Labor to get your labor certification. Once your labor certification is approved, then they will file for something called the PERM. Once that is completed, then the application goes to USCIS, where they will file I-140 immigration petition for alien workers. Please note that all of these forms, except in DOL, all forms, or should I say most forms that go to USCIS attract fees. So your company would need to know what those fees are and determine if they are okay with filing for those forms. So to today we're talking about the green card that can be obtained through your employer. And that green card is called EB3, which stands for Employment-Based Green Card, which gives permanent residence status. So a lot of people are trying to get a job to come to the United States on J or H or whatever type of visa you might be thinking about. This is another visa, or should I say another option that you can consider, the EB3 visa. Guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. If this video provided you with some information that you needed, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.